Hello friends, welcome to my channel SZ Education Tutorial. In this video, I have written 7th Standard English Chapter 4.2 Workbook Solution. First question है activities based on question number 1. Complete the table and write who said the given word and to whom. First का आंसर है narrate. Narrator mothers to Rohan. Next narrator to Mock. Next, complex factual activities. I desperately wanted my wish to come true. Explain what this wish was and why the near it desperate. Question number 3. Complete the table. Activities on vocabulary. Question number 4. Activities based on grammar. If you satisfy my answer, you can stop the video and complete your workbook. Okay? Write and share comments. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.